Hey guys, it's Steph. Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be recreating some of my favorite Pinterest outfits. Over this whole quarantine and everything, it's been super hard to get up and put on real outfits, and I'm not gonna lie, there has been one day where I actually put on an outfit so far, and that was on Easter, and that was only for 2 hours when my family ate dinner, and that's it. Other than that, I've been relaxing in sweatpants and a sweatshirt, and I just feel so gross when I wear that. I feel frumpy and just, it's not the best. So I decided that this video would be a good idea to show you guys some cute outfits, challenge myself to recreate some outfits from Pinterest, and get myself to get dressed, because that doesn't happen very often. Before we get started, I just want to point out that these outfits are not going to be spot on. Obviously, I do not own the exact same pair of jeans with the exact same belt, the exact same t-shirt as the person in the picture is wearing, but I will try to do my best to recreate the outfits. So these are not going to be spot on, and that's all I'm going to say in the intro, so let's just hop right in the video. Okay, so this first outfit here seems like it's a layering outfit. I typically stay away from layering because I just don't have the right undershirts to wear with my layering shirts. In this outfit, she is wearing a pair of ripped high-waisted mom jeans, which I have. She also is wearing a oversized graphic t-shirt, which I'm pretty sure I have. I don't have one that's super oversized, but I do have a blackish graphic t-shirt I could wear. And then she's wearing a white t-shirt underneath. I've tried on this outfit before because I was gonna wear it to school before quarantine season. With the t-shirt I'm talking about, my white t-shirt shows above the neckline of the graphic t-shirt, so it looks kind of stupid. So I might try that on, but I'm probably just gonna wear my white turtleneck. I'm pretty sure I did not get rid of that. If I did, then that's an issue. But I'm planning to just wear a big graphic t-shirt, mom jeans, and a white t-shirt underneath. In case you didn't know, 99% of YouTubers when they're filming wear comfy shorts or pajamas when they're filming. So here's me exposing myself. Cool. Here's our first outfit recreation. When I'm filming this is actually the last outfit I'm trying on. And I can say by far this is the worst recreation that I have. This is definitely the ugliest one. I don't really know how her shirt's tucked because she's holding it, but I would probably tuck it in. Or does that even look, that looks kind of stupid. I just wouldn't wear this outfit. The layering look is just not for me. I love these jeans, they're new, in case you wanted to know. They're from American Eagle. I think I would like this outfit a little bit more if this shirt had some more going on. The back of it has a lot going on, and I feel if I were to flip this around and have it not look stupid, that would look way better. I would give this outfit a 5 out of 10. It's a good recreation for what I have, but it just isn't a cute outfit on me personally. This next outfit is literally so cute. The thing that stood out to me the most and the thing that caught my eye is a pair of plaid houndstooth pants. I have some similar pants that I wore on Christmas and they look pretty much the exact same, so I can just grab those out of my closet. And then she's also wearing a white t-shirt that has words on it. I can probably find a white t-shirt with words. My chapstick's burning my lips. I think I'm allergic to it. Oh my god. That's not healthy. Moving on. Here's this outfit. I don't love this outfit at all. I really honestly kind of dislike it more than I like it. I like the pants, I like how they fit. They're from Hollister if you're wondering. The shirt's from TJ Maxx. I just feel it looks these are more formal and this is super casual, so I feel if I had a different t-shirt it would look okay. But also I think this would just look better in general with a black t-shirt, which is actually one of the later outfits, but I would give this probably a 4 out of 10. At the bottom I just kind of rolled these up, and now they're too short, but she had them rolled up so I had to, but tall girl struggles, and we're gonna move on. This third outfit is super cute and so simple. I pretty much have the exact same Colorado t-shirt. I have that exact same t-shirt from Brandy in white that I could wear, and then she's also wearing a distressed denim skirt. I think I might actually have the exact same denim skirt. If hers is from Levi's, then I got the same one. And then in her hand, she just has some sunglasses. I can just grab a pair of sunglasses. This is how this outfit turned out. I really like how it looks. I couldn't find my normal sunglasses, so I have these bad boys. Super edgy and city girl. The shirt is from Brandy. The skirt is from Levi's. I would give this outfit a 10 out of 10. I feel I would definitely wear it. Outfit number 4 is kind of weird because you can't see the entire outfit, but you can tell that this girl is wearing a pair of mom shorts. I don't think I have mom shorts. And then the thing that right when I saw this picture, I was boom, I can recreate it. I have a kind of similar tight fitted shirt from American Eagle I can wear. It's just a fitted top with some flowers that are the same color scheme. Here's this outfit. Everything is from American Eagle. These aren't really mom shorts, but they are like the loosest shorts I have. The shirt is almost like spot on. I feel like it has like some little like floral details, which I think look super nice and is pretty similar. And I would give this outfit a 10 out of 10 because it does look similar to the picture and also it's cute. This next outfit is so cute. She's wearing a black denim skirt, which I have, and then she is wearing a gray graphic t-shirt. Honestly, I can probably just wear this t-shirt if I don't have anything else more similar. Here's our next outfit. I honestly love this outfit so much. I feel like a baddie in it, like a nice like put together like city like girl boss. The girl has the shirt all the way tucked in, but I kind of like it just like tucked in the front and kind of loose in the back. She also has a Gucci purse. Can't afford that. I just have my Kors one, but I actually really like how my purse looks with it because it's like gold on like gold. It's a lot. I will definitely wear this outfit somewhere in the summer, maybe like in the city or something. 10 out of 10 for this outfit. Outfit number 5 is so stinking cute. I love this outfit so much. Like it just screams like summer vibes in like LA or something. I don't know. The thing that stood out to me in this outfit was her shorts. She has on some leopard print. I have some shorts that are kind of similar to that from Aerie, except they're more like gray toned and they're also super wrinkled, but we don't need to pay attention to that. And then she just has a white t-shirt on that's like tied in a knot. I can easily do that. Here's our next outfit. This outfit is so cute. I bought these shorts a couple months ago and I think they're so cute. They're super light and airy, and haha, they're from Aerie, so funny. But they literally feel like you're wearing nothing. Like I was walking about to like record and I was like, oh my god, like am I wearing pants? That actually happened. That sounds cringy, but that's what goes through my mind. For me personally, I would probably not knot the shirt and I would probably just tuck it in, but I do like it knotted. I just think it's a lot going on with like the bow tie and the knot, but that's just a personal preference, and I would give this outfit a 10 out of 10 because I really like it a lot, and I'm definitely gonna wear this in the summer or whenever quarantine's over. I really like this outfit a lot. She is wearing a black denim skirt once again, and then a belt. Do I own a belt? I'm trying to think. I have a belt that's like the same kind of like buckle, but it's just really small and really ugly. Or I just have like a silver belt with like a circle. And then her top, I'm pretty sure it's from Brandy, or maybe it's from Zaful. Okay, those are very different stores. I don't have a red shirt like that, but I do have it in a gray and black instead of gray and red, or white and red. I can't even tell with the filter. Okay, this next outfit is sort of interesting. I don't like it, but I would like it if I was wearing, if this wasn't like black on black, like if this was like the actual like color, like red or something, or like it had some words, like I would like it a lot better. It definitely accentuates my box like figure, which like I'm over it at this point. But this shirt with like a blue denim skirt would definitely look a lot cuter, or this skirt with a different colored sleeves top would definitely be cuter. I would give this outfit like a 3 out of 10. I do not like it at all, so yes, moving on. This last outfit is kind of similar to the second outfit, but it's a little bit different. So in this outfit, she's wearing, again, like some black and white checkered pants. I'm getting Italy vibes for some reason. Not really sure why. With these pants, she's wearing like an oversized black t-shirt. Fun fact, I only own like 2 black t-shirts, and one of them has like MTV all over it, so that's just like cringy. And the second one is just like fitted, so I'm just gonna wear the fitted one, I guess. This is the next outfit. I actually really like this outfit a lot. I really like these pants because they're super high-waisted, but they just get like kind of like baggy, I guess, around the crotch area, which is why I normally wear them with like a longer shirt. But normally I would wear like a big, like huge oversized sweater with these pants, but I like how this is more of like a summery version of that almost. And oh wait, I forgot the crossbody. I don't really know where or when I would wear this outfit because like I feel like it's more of like a winter, like Christmas vibe in my opinion, but I do like this outfit a lot, so I give it like an 8 out of 10 just because it's not like practical. Like I wouldn't actually wear it unless I was going to like a job interview or something. So that's all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed me recreating these various Pinterest outfits. It was kind of a little bit of a struggle because I don't really have that many clothes that are like aesthetic and like Instagram worthy and like Pinterest worthy. So my options were kind of slim, but I do hope you guys enjoyed. Sorry that some of the outfits were kind of similar. Once again, don't have that many clothes. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe below because I'd love to have you join the little squad we got going on here. And I will see you guys next time I upload. Peace out. This love has taken